Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Click the link down below if you like this item, add it to your cart, and check out. And if you have some free time, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And let's see what's inside. Alright, here we go. Do a little something right here. Avantek. This is gonna be Avantek doorbell kit, wireless, really nice. Extremely low consumption. 52 optional melodies. Alright, let's take a look inside. I got a Ring doorbell, so this would be a good backup. You never know, maybe a backdoor doorbell. This would be good for businesses and stuff like that. Ooh, here we go. Alright, here's the main unit. Take this off. Just gotta plug it in. I got a plug standby somewhere. And we got one here. Just press the bell. And we got here master key or something like that. I'll get the other one out. So you get two of them. Does the same thing. Looking good. I like the color. Nice neon green. And we got here. And we got everything out of the box. So if you're not looking to buy all the new technology stuff and want to kind of keep it simple, this would be a good one to get. You got sticky stuff. I'll see that up. The manual. There we go. There's a bunch of stuff in here to read if you guys want to read it. Installation, pretty simple. You would just screw these in and then use it like that, but we're not going to do it because you get this one also, so that one goes there and this one goes with this one, so you got two of those. Here's the bottom. That's for the batteries, must go. There we go. Pull tab right here. There we go. Slide that back in. Close it up. Here's the back, what it looks like. Or the inside. And then lock it back up. That should be good to go. Once I plug it in. See the lights on. Okay, gotta find an empty spot. Let's use this spot right here. Plug that one. Stretch this out. That could be unplugged. There we go. It's gonna light up green. Whoa. And then once they press it, and I think if you want to switch, there's a button on the side. cool. Alright guys, check them out. Link will be down below. Get your wireless doorbell now. Be safe. Have a good night.